Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share what happened in my trading, like how many trades I have traded and what were the results of my trades. Actually, I wanted to be honest and I'm also honest from starting. Today was a very massive account blown. My account was actually blown. Like I literally traded without stop loss. So it hit my a massive loss, and after that, my brain was literally full of emotions, and I overtraded, and I lost nearly 85% of my capital, from which I was literally depressed, and my brain was like very stressed, and my hands were literally shivering. So after so much loss, and after that, I don't know what gave me courage to still trade. I don't know. I want to be honest with you. Uh, my trading ended at 3 p.m. Where the market closes half an hour before I exited the market. I am trading this. Sorry, I am recording this session at what time? 12 a.m. because I was actually asleep. Then I wanted to share what happened today. I wanted to share how my emotions were because I already informed that I will be honest in my trading journal review. So I wanted to share what happened. I know today was a account blown off. So I also wanted you. So I also wanted to share with you one secret also, not a secret, but wanted to share a surprised thing. At the end, I will share that. But at the starting, I want to share how my emotions were and why I traded so much trades. I will share it. First of all, my first trade was a wrong trade, and my second trade also, it was a wrong trade, but still I made profitable, and I made a very big mistake by placing first trade and second trade. The reason was when I placed the trades, I did not keep my stop loss as soon as I entered the trade. That was a very bad indication for my start of the day. And the third trade, it was very bad because I did not keep my stop loss at all. So in the place I should have given this much loss, I took a massive loss. Like whatever the profit I got in first trade and second trade, I lost that heavily on the third trade. So I wanted to share how my trades went. I'll share my screen. I'm being honest here because at 12 a.m. I don't know whether anybody will share their trading review journal honestly, but I'm sharing because wait, I want to show my orders. See here, there are my orders. I traded more trades because as I have informed that I blown my account, like 85% of my capital was lost. So I traded only hero zero trade at the end of the day. See here, I traded one trade and I made a little profit. Second trade also I made a profit. Then third trade, suddenly I increased my quantity also. Like 259, I bought 100 quantity. And again 253, I bought again 100 quantity. And I did not keep stop loss also. Wait, I will show you. Like stop loss, even though I kept my stop loss, it was a wrong stop loss. Like I have a rule that I should keep a stop loss exactly this much small, but I kept a massive point. Like it was not actually a stop loss at all. So I wanted to show you the trade where it went. See, I entered at 200 56.32, which was the average price. Then exited at 187. Like the difference is 70 points approximately. Like who the fuck will give 70 points as stop loss? Like when we know that the market is going against us, who the fuck will give 70 points? So it was the basic and a common mistake I did. First of all, like giving a massive stop loss. Then after that, like literally I blown my account. I will also show you, like I traded here at 209. Wait, I will show one of the massive losses. Here I lost my stop loss. Here also I lost my stop loss. These two entered at 162 and exited at 132. Here again I made a little comeback, but it was not enough. Then again, I don't know why I traded so many trades morning, as the third trade was very bad. It followed my other trades. Like my emotions were very bad after the third trade. Every trade whichever I took till 12 a.m., like not 12, like 10:20 maybe, because I went to break first after a massive loss. I knew that I had to take a small break because my brain was literally exploding due to emotions. So I stopped trading after 10:20. Till that I will show you. Wait, about who not to and exited at 185, like up to. And here also I want to show 106, 100, that's okay. It will show up to here. I think I went to breakfast after this. Like literally, I wanted to share till where I was at a massive 85% loss. Yes, here up to here, up to 129 p.m. I was at a loss of 85% of my capital. But the God's grace was there on me. Again, I don't want to say it as a proper trade. I don't want to exaggerate the trades. I don't want to like give praise to me that I made a massive loss and I also recovered the same loss. I don't want those and all. I wanted to say this was a pure luck, or it was a God's grace that I should not be blown off, or I should be in the trading business for few more years, like literally decades of year I should be. So it was the God's plan. So he made me to recover all my losses. So after 130, I traded here. I took 130 trade where I got an edge also. I got a confirmation also. 80% was there. So I entered at 38. I increased my lot size, which was bad, but I already lost 85% of my capital. So I had no choice rather than to recover. And I also want to say that the recovery which I did was also a revenge trade. It is not appreciated for the long run. It is very bad. I know that. But I still chose because I was already at a loss of 85% of my capital. So what bad can happen? That was also very bad. And I took the trade at average 36 rupees and exited at 98 rupees. This trade gave me a very good strength. Like it was bad because I revenge traded, but still like 20% of my loss was recovered. After that, I wanted to show you a very good trade which I took, which mostly recovered all my losses and came to a break-even point. Here is a trade I took. I entered 83 400 call option. I also wanted to show you the chart also. Not about praising, like after getting confirmation, how did I manage? Like how did I increase the lot size also? Here, see, I wanted to show you where I have entered also at exact point. See, average I did here. I bought 360 quantity at 34.75 and again 100 quantity at 34.15. Again, I bought. Still, how much capital was there? I utilized everything on this trade because I had a little conspiracy that the market will recover a little. Like I had little edge, so I traded at 20. And average was 34, and I exited at 121, which was a very good exit. Like it literally recovered all my losses. So I wanted to put uh, 34 rupees I entered. Average was 36 I entered. And my stop loss was also very sleek. Like the low was my stop loss, and I exited at 120 maybe, right? Yes, it was my trade. Like it still went up, but I chose to exit because I had already lost so much. So I exited early only. Like it was at some it's a 1:5 ratio, which is good as I have already lost 85% of my capital. It is a very good trade. Then after that, uh, it was okay. Then again I got another trade at last, which I entered at 62 rupees and exited at 111, and it was also a break-even point. Now I wanted to share you the PNL also. Like this was the morning trade which I took, which I did not keep the stop loss at all. See this one, and his PNL is minus 30k, which is very bad because if I'd kept the stop loss means it would have been like 8k, 8k it would have been like I would have not been at a crucial position of minus 85% of my capital. So after that, his trade gave me a very good profit, like 83 400. So at the end of the day, I turned from 85% loss to break even. Here are the what I can say proof also for all that. Like how many trades I have traded. Also, you can see 78 trades, including buying and selling. So after showing all this, I wanted to make sure that God is with me, and I was indisciplined. Like I over positioned my size and I broke many rules. Literally, after so much things, like after that massive 85% loss, and after recovering all those losses at uh, uh, 3 p.m. Like I was literally, I don't know what to say. Like uh, my brain was saying it is the same loop I am repeating. I wanted to share you that this was not my first day of getting 85% loss. Like before 8 days also I had a same thing where I lost 85% of my capital and recovered all those. So I'm feeling very bad that I'm doing this also. I'm repeating the same mistake. And I also got a history. I also have history that whenever I made a massive profits, I will lose all the profits, and I exited the day at loss also. So all those past will be like a very bad history. So I don't want that to repeat. So I want to be a better disciplined option trader. So please follow my channel so that you will see how I will go through and how I will be a profitable, successful trader. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Good night.